Good morning, boys and girls. This week we're going to be learning about fractions. You will need your instruction book and your practice book. Today's lesson starts on page 156 of your instruction book, understanding what a fraction is. Fractions are numbers that tell about equal parts of a whole. A fraction is named by the number of equal parts. One of 3 equal parts is called a third. One of 4 equal parts is called a fourth. 1/3 and 1/4 are fractions. A fraction has 2 parts. The bottom number in a fraction is called the denominator. The top number is called the numerator. It tells how many equal parts you have. If you will look at the little rectangle that is on the middle of your page, it is broken into 3 equal parts. So the denominator would have a 3. One part is shaded. So in this case, this fraction would be 1/3. Look at the cakes down below. The first cake is divided into 6 equal parts. Think of it as if you were at a party and you were sharing a cake with some friends. You would each want to have an equal piece. So this cake would work. Each piece would be 1/6 of the cake. The bottom cake, however, would not work because it's not broken into equal parts. So these are not 6. On page 157, we're talking about unit fractions. A unit fraction has a 1 in the numerator. Of the rectangle on your paper there, it is broken into 4 equal parts. So a unit of that rectangle would be 1/4. And if you know the name of one part of the fraction, you can count all of the parts of a fraction. For example, the rectangle has 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4. So when you count 2 parts of this rectangle, it would be 2/4. 3 would be 3/4. You can also describe the whole rectangle as being shaded in as 4/4. Another way to say that is the whole rectangle. Let's try the reflect down at the bottom of the page. Mike draws a large rectangle. He wants to color 3/8 of the rectangle blue. How many equal parts should Mike draw this rectangle into? If you said 8, you're correct. What fraction, what is the unit fraction for this rectangle? 1/8, because remember, a unit fraction is 1 part. Mike wanted to color 3/8 of the rectangle blue. So how many parts should he color? 3 parts. Great. I'm going to leave you to do the practice book independently. You'll be doing pages 161 and 162. Thanks, boys and girls, for joining me. Bye-bye.